everyone, I am Ashna Thakur from Startuppedia. At Startuppedia, we try to bring untold stories of startups and entrepreneurs. Today, we'll be focusing on a startup which is a heartthrob for every car lover in the town. Any guesses? Well, it's Big Boy Toys. It is a brick and mortar representation of a fantasy. BBT is a luxury marketplace for pre-owned exotic and imported cars for sale in India. With a collection of over 100 rare luxury supercars, searching for your dream luxury car has never been easier. Big Boy Toys came into existence in 2009, starting with merely Rs 70,000. And now it has clocked an annual turnover of Rs 225 crore in 2019 and has a target of achieving Rs 300 crore by financial year 2020. And the credit should be poured in for Jatin Ahuja, who made our fantasies come to reality. Born and brought up in Delhi, Jatin studied at Mata Jai Kaur Public School and then he completed his B.Tech from Maharishi Dayanand University in 2002. He was one of the toppers from his batch, but his first love had always been cars. This journey started in 2003, has now completed 15 years in business. For Jatin, this passion converted into profession. And therefore, at BBT, business is done with passion. But, is it so feasible to access such imaginary luxury? Well, the answer is yes. For about 40% of the business done by BBT, the customer won't come to the showroom. They see the pictures, they look at the quality through the pictures, then the payment is done, and then the car is at your doorstep. Whoa, so simple, right? But what made BBT's customer loyalty so magnificent that they are purchasing just by looking at the pictures? Well, it's passion. The BBT team is so passionate that they sometimes forget all the commercial aspects of a business and they do it by heart. This is the reason that not a single customer in the history of last 15 years has ever turned out to be dissatisfied. Every single customer to date has been satisfied. And no doubt over the time it's glowing and growing and doing extremely good as BBT is sponsoring big banner shows like Splitsvilla on MTV and Big Boy Toys Gen X fashion show, which is a great marketing and promotional move for them. BBT has over 1.5 million Instagram followers and one can see those across TV commercials, newspapers as well as online. They have done collaborations with celebrities like Sonakshi Sinha, rapper Badshah for DJ Wale Babu and many more, which has increased their fan base among ordinary people. They have done about 35 to 40 music videos till now and are a part of the first supercar movie with Therma Productions in India, which will launch soon. Big Boy Toys in the next 10 years will control 20% of the car business in the country. And undoubtedly, this startup is all set to revolutionize the Indian auto market. If you liked our video and it added value to you, do share it with your peers, your colleagues, your family, and make them too a part of this wonderful car fantasy.